Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the basic nature of amines. We have many definitions for the bases, right? But we are discussing about the Lewis base, okay? Lewis base is nothing but the one which donates the electron pair over there. Electron pair donor is known as Lewis base generally. Generally, plus I groups increases the basic nature. How plus I groups increases the basic nature? Plus I groups are nothing but the electron releasing groups. What electron releasing group does is that they'll release electrons over there. When they release electrons, what happens? The electron density on the nitrogen increases and the tendency to donate the electron pair will be increased. That is what plus I group generally increases the basic nature, and minus I groups decreases the basic nature here. How they'll decrease the basic nature here? Now what electron withdrawing groups over there or else minus I group does is that they'll pull the electrons towards themselves. When they pull electrons towards themselves, what happens? The electron density on the nitrogen decreases. Then what happens? The tendency to donate the electrons decreases. That's what basic nature is also decreases. Now let us see some of the examples. Now first we have ammonia, and second we have primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. The primary amine we have 1 plus I group. We have in the secondary amine we have 2 plus I groups. In tertiary amine we have 3 plus I groups. Okay. What is the job of plus I groups? They'll release the electrons. They'll release the electrons. What happens here? When they releases the electrons, electron density on the nitrogen increases from primary to secondary, secondary to tertiary, gradually increasing, right? Since electron density on the nitrogen increases, the tendency to donate the electron pair increases. That's what the basic nature is going to be. This one. What is the order here? The one which we are discussing, it is in a non-polar solvent. What is the basic order in the non-polar solvent generally? Tertiary is greater than, secondary is greater than, primary is greater than ammonia over here. Okay, but it is not same all the time. If solvent changes, right, the basic nature is also going to be changed. Now let us see basic nature of amines in the polar solvent. Now let us take amines in the water, right? Now here we should not stick with only inductive effect, but we should also consider the hydrogen bonding when it comes to the basic nature of amines over there. In the case of acids, what we have discussed, acidic nature of an acid depends on the stability of its conjugate base, right? Similarly, basic nature of amines also depends on its conjugate acid. Over here, how its conjugate base stabilizes, right? The conjugate base here stabilizes with the two factors over here. One is inductive effect, second one is hydrogen bonding over here. Now, if you see the first case, right, we have primary amine, secondary amine, and we have tertiary amines over here. In the case of primary amine, now we have primary, secondary, tertiary amines, right? In the case of primary amines, what is happening? How many hydrogen bondings are there? 1, 2, 3 hydrogen bondings are there. And how many plus I groups are there? Only 1 plus I groups are there. That is 1 plus I group is there. When it comes to secondary amine, right, we have 2 hydrogen bonding, 1 and 2 hydrogen bondings here. And how many plus I groups are there? Here 1 and 2 plus I groups are there. The case of tertiary one, right, we have only 1 hydrogen bonding over there, but we have 3 plus I groups over there. 3 plus I groups. Here, if we consider the conjugate acid stability of the amines over there, comparatively, the secondary amine stabilizes with the equally with the hydrogen bonding as well as plus I groups. That's what, if we take the basic nature of amines, right, in polar solvent, it's always secondary amines greater. Secondary amines greater. And primary and tertiary will be exchanging based on the groups which we will take. Based on the groups which we will take, and followed by NH3 over there. For example, if you take methyl over there, if you take methyl generally in polar solvents, generally whatever we take in the polar solvent, what is that? Like secondary amine is greater one, right? Now let us see the first one is a primary, secondary, tertiary, and ammonia is there. In the case of not polar solvent, right, it's always secondary is greater one, okay? Secondary. But with methyl group alone, primary is greater than that of tertiary, then followed by ammonia over here. Ammonia over there. But if you consider apart from any other groups apart from methyl group, right, the order is going to be, we know that first one is going to be the secondary one, then the tertiary one, then the primary one, then the NH3 group over here. That is the basic nature of amines in polar and non-polar solvents. Thank you for watching.